Okay, Assalamualaikum and a very good morning. So today I'm going to explain the structures that supply by various cranial nerve. Okay. So first I will describe the attachment of all this cranial nerve to the brainstem. So first, nerve that you can see here is the optic nerve. This optic nerve. Okay. It's arising from the eyeball. The first nerve you can see in this model, but the second nerve you can see the optic nerve here, and then the third nerve is here in the midbrain. Okay. Then you can see this nerve here, small nerve arising from the anterior surface of the cross cerebri, or the cerebral peduncle, the anterior part of the cerebral peduncle here, in the midbrain. This is the third nerve. The fourth nerve arising from the back. So this is the fourth nerve, the trochlear nerve. It's only nerve that arises from the posterior surface of the brainstem. So these are the trochlear nerve coming from the back of the brainstem. The fifth nerve is the trigeminal. So trigeminal runs from the lateral surface of the pons. So this is a trigeminal nerve. Trigeminal nerve arising from the lateral surface of the pons. The sixth nerve, the abduction nerve, is here. It's coming from the anterior surface in the circles between the pons and medulla. This is the abduction nerve. Okay. Nerve number 7, the facial, is here. It's coming from the circles between the pons and medulla. And nerve number 8, located next to the 7 laterally. So these are 7, 8. Nerve number 9, glossopharyngeal nerve, located here. Here. This is nerve number 9, glossopharyngeal nerve. Nerve number 10 is vagus. Vagus located just inferior to the nerve number 9. And nerve number 11 is below the vagus. Probably you cannot see that clearly in this model, but below is the vagus. And this is a spinal root of Asari, nerve number 11, and you have the cranial root, which combine to form the Asari nerve. And then nerve number 12 located here. The hypoglossal nerve.